One of the hardest elements and most important elements to manage on a refurbishment project, whether you're a property investor managing it yourself or whether you are a project manager, is time. Because the slightest thing can have quite a big knock-on effect. For example, week before last, the bricklayer, as he was finishing on the first lift, said, right, here's a list of materials that I need. I was like, great, I'll get them organised. So while we were waiting for the scaffolders to come and give us our second lift, I got materials delivered. The site was quiet, there was no other work going on, therefore they got delivered and no one was here to check what was actually delivered. Turns out that we were a pack of bricks light. That meant they were meant to be scheduled to finish on the Thursday. We identified pretty sharpish that we were a pack of blocks light, but they were only delivered late Thursday afternoon, meaning additional lift, the next lift that's meant to go on top of this one, that's going to allow the roofers to do their thing, it wasn't able to happen on the Friday. The scaffolders obviously are now busy Monday, Tuesday, and it's going to be Wednesday before they came. Roofers were due to start on Monday. I'll be amazed if I manage to get them back here for Thursday, Friday this week, but I'm doing my damnedest. What should have been roof structure completed with building control being signed off probably on Thursday this week, it's looking incredibly likely that it'll be a week later due to scaffolders being knocked on, roofers being knocked on, everything having to be rescheduled, all because we were missing one pack of blocks. And on a project this size, I'm not really going to be able to get that time back. Already I'm stacking everybody up, like electricians and plumbers are just waiting in the sidelines for us to get the roof on so that we can crack on with the next step. But yeah, it really is so important that you get everything lined up, and even when you do, stuff still happens that means that the schedule slips. I hope you found that insightful. If you want more trials, tribulations and challenges from site, then please give me a like, give me a follow, and I'll do my best to save you from making similar mistakes.